This channel usually shows things that don't make sense to me, but this is kind of an instructional video. It kind of fits in still because a lot of videos that don't explain some of the stuff I found out. So this is to repair or fix the motor that controls the water wall for this Samsung washer. A lot of these Samsung washers I see online have a magnet attached here. There's no magnet on this one. The sensor, or the part that lets the unit know that this is at the back, is somewhere embedded in here, right? So anyways, it stopped working. I think it's a 7E code or something like that. 7E code. I'll link the code and the model number in the description. First thing you gotta do is detach these. The two clips on here. Just gonna pry them off with your finger on either side. There's one at the back. The control arm comes out. Pluck these two plastic bits out. There are Phillips screws down on the inside. You unscrew those. That pulls off, slides forward, and then you can see the motor, or see the peg that comes up from underneath. This is what the old motor looks like. Get that to focus. Notice it has a flat side that corresponds to the belt or system in here. So at a certain position it will fit right on, right? It's not hard to figure that out. All right, once you take that bit off, then you go to the back, unscrew this black plastic. There are two Phillips screws, one on either side. You can see the holes here, one here. Oh, there are two holes over here. One hole is for this peg, the other hole is for the screw. Same thing on the other side. I unclamped. There are three hoses here. I just kind of use the pliers to squeeze these, slide them down, take the hose off so I can get to the motor. You can see the motor in here. Get a good look in here. See if I can. There you go, in here. And underneath there are two Phillips screws on either side. You need a really small Phillips screwdriver right under here. This is a little washer that holds the motor in place, kind of. I don't think you need to take that off to take the motor off, but I did. If you are going to take it off, just get a knife or screwdriver, pry it against one of the lips, and just knock it gently a couple times anti-clockwise, and it will just loosen up. It doesn't screw all the way, it just kind of latches in place. Two connectors here on the right. One is for the motor. I think one is for the sensor. This one is for the motor. It just unlatches. You can't put it back in the wrong way. It's designed to go on only one way, so you can't screw that up. And then I just slide the other motor back up, right? Screw it on, and it's working fine. Alrighty, I hope that helps someone. Take it easy.